Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to use Bill.com for beginners. First is setting up your account. Visit Bill.com and create an account. Choose your primary role. Now for company profile, enter your business details like company name, address, tax ID, and payment preferences. Add your bank account to enable secure transactions. Now, manage accounts payable. First is the Add Vendors. Navigate to the Vendors tab and click Add Vendor. Enter vendor details, name, contact information, and payment preferences. Next, upload invoices. Go to the inbox and upload an invoice. Drag and drop PDF or image files. Forward invoices from your email directly to your Bill.com account-specific email address. Now review the upload invoice for accuracy. Next is approve invoices. Set up an approval workflow in settings. Go to workflow. Assign approvers to review and approve invoices before payment. Next is pay vendors. After approval, go to the payable tabs. Select the invoices to pay and schedule payments. Choose the payment method. Next is to manage accounts receivable. To add customer, navigate to the customer tab and click add customer. Enter the customer details. To create and send invoices, go to invoices and new invoice. Fill in the invoice details. Customer name, due date, invoice number, line items, and amounts. Click send to email the invoice directly to the customer. Next is receive payments. Customer can pay invoices via a secure link in the email. Payments received are automatically applied to the invoice and sync with your account software. Now sync with accounting software. Go to settings, then go to sync. Select your accounting software. Map accounts, vendors, and customers to ensure seamless data transfer. Now automate workflows. Recurring invoices. For recurring services, set up recurring invoices in the Invoices tab. For approval policies, define thresholds for automatic approvals or required approvers based on the invoice amount. Now to monitor and report. View upcoming payments, overdue invoices, and account balances at a glance on the dashboard. For the reports, go to Reports to generate AP and AR reports. Lastly is the security and audit trail. Enable a two-factor authentication. Go to Settings, go to Security, and enable 2FA for enhanced security. Audit trail. Access detailed records of all actions taken on payment and invoices. And that's basically it.